Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming prerequisites: end access, solid combat gear, and boost items. Once ready, teleport to the only way area. Make sure you have potion stacks and a pet that increases drops. First actionable step: spawn the only way mobs or activate the event immediately, then focus on killing only the shard-yielding targets. You want consistent, repeatable kills, so position, patience, and a minimal downtime rotation matter. Keep looting on and collect every drop. Once engaged, switch to a drop-focused playstyle. Pull groups efficiently, but single out the shard-bearing mobs when they spawn. Make sure to use area of effect to thin waves, then burst the targets that give attribute shards. This raises your per-run average. Use talisman swapping, pet abilities, and a consistent potion schedule to avoid lost uptime. If you can, apply any temporary magic find boosts between waves. Keep tabs on spawn timers. Timing your clears reduces dead time and increases shards per hour. When your run ends, immediately bank or vendor the attribute shards so you don't risk losing them. Inventory management is key. Calculate your shards per hour to judge efficiency, then iterate. Change route, swap pets, or alter potion timing if numbers are low. If you get 0 shards, first check that you targeted the correct mob types and that magic find or drop multipliers are active. If everything is set and shards still fail, relog and verify you were in the proper only way instance. Connection or instance bugs can block drops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.